Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. If you feel like your skin is getting older, then this recipe is for you. The mask we're going to teach you how to make in this video is a mixture of natural ingredients with super effective medicinal properties. These combined ingredients will leave your skin feeling smoother and healthier. If you apply it regularly, you could both prevent and get rid of wrinkles and laugh lines. Apart from being extremely effective, this mask is totally natural and easy to make, with cheap, easy-to-find ingredients. Here is what you'll need. Bananas. This fruit is rich in potassium, so it is great at preventing wrinkles and minimizing blemishes on your skin. Ginger. Not only does it reduce inflammation, it is also a powerful antioxidant, which means that it inhibits the dangerous free radicals that damage and age our skin. Eggs. This ingredient provides protein and repairs tissue. Furthermore, it is a source of lutein, which keeps our skin hydrated and youthful. Egg whites are used a lot in beauty recipes. Olive oil. This is probably the ingredient with the highest concentration of essential fatty acids and vitamins. Here is how to make the mask. Ingredients: 1/3 of a ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice, 2 teaspoons of olive oil or almond oil, 1 whisked egg white. Instructions: mash the banana until it has the consistency of a paste and mix it with the ginger and oil. Once that is done, add the egg white and mix it in until you form a smooth cream. Then put the mask on your face, neck, and chest and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse it off with warm water and wash your face with cold water. Your skin will feel renewed and even more beautiful. Just in case, apply a small quantity on your skin beforehand and wait a few minutes to see if you have an allergic reaction. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.